Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your course in Moodle. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already downloaded the Moodle app. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, you will be prompted to this page. Here you need to enter the Moodle site of your school. Enter the URL and you will see the list of sites over here. Choose the correct URL of your school and tap on it. Now you will be in the login page of the Moodle website of your school. Here you can enter your username and your password to log in. If you are signing in as a student or a teacher, you can select it from here. For now, I'm logging in as a teacher. Now in order to back up the Moodle courses, first you need to go to the courses section. Here you can see the three lines icon at the top left corner. Tap on it. Now go to My Courses. You'll see the list of courses over here. You can choose any courses that you want to. Once you're in the courses page, here you can see the More option. Tap on it. You'll see a drop down list. You can see course reuse option at the bottom. Tap on it. Here you can see the option Backup. Tap on it. You can go over these settings. You can read through all the setting options and choose accordingly. Once you select everything, tap on Next. You can further control the settings. If you want to back up the user data of various topics, you can choose accordingly too. You can tap on Next. You can set the backup file name over here and you can review all of your settings. And once you're done, tap on this Perform Backup option and there you go. The backup file was successfully created. You can tap on Continue and from here, you can access the backup file you just created. So that's it. That's how you can back up courses in Moodle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.